Yaba bunyina machi sama bunyina akwa baby famra Badwam Mpensenpensemu so ewo Adom TV live on DSTV live on Go TV channel 176 so na betimi ahwe live so ewo YouTube Facebook so ya live so ewo hono me fa na second sen koma agudie mu mpelfo so de agudie msem ebreno chi anocho aba enso e de ewura efisem dwumadie ebu free sabre kopin se na okono ebebo medin de akwasi ensi aba bedi komo de ahwe Ghana nkanko ene ne mpontuo na amenka o sinyame ya de akwasi da wo ya ena Nstroma Plus final no eba so Nstroma Plus final no eba so ewo Fantasy Dome enyumre 5 pm pepe na patria tena se 7 na ye kwano no enti kaise eye eda kwasiada ye 19th of February 2023 oba be kai ho ewo Fantasy Dome nyunturi kanido eba live enti Nstroma Plus final no enye adeketu akwa 5 pm pepe na obia atrase fa na second so koma Franco Trading Enterprise da be kase phone papa na yimfie eno no pe phone ya ne bo ewo fom ebeche ede amawa eye Franco Trading Enterprise na make fo ede ma phone brand bia be ko bia na obi ewo fa de papa mu so no aton ede ama say TV fridge air conditioner pa hwe Franco Trading Enterprise so enkrane komase saso na Safari tissue ensu enim sre wada ene convenient ye nyina ebo anu yakwantu asientinum obi apeso betare handkerchief atu ne botom ne ohia eye Safari tissue ya no ato actually kuma bi kitekta na etimi efa enfifire so pa etuto ba ko tim se eche ho pa to bi odi Safari bi de dwua ka se ampati hwe de amanaka wadi emian ko na so yasene emian de Mpensenpensemu dwumadie ebrewo ne anope abejafo atena se kwakubuan ye former National Deputy Communications Officer ma NDC amanyuko saso na Pargrave Boache Dankwa eye government spokesperson on governance and security. Kwakuba kwa die?
Ye ni o menia. Na ho ye die.
Nyame adom na kiki tuntumi ye.
Nayi.
Okay.
Ho ye die.
Nyame adom. Endi simu so bokọ die.
Oh nyame adaroma. Emu ye papa. Na ma menchia me amadam fa ba kwa mene no. Edi agro. Ode ho na nasai.
Okay.
Ode ho na nasai. Na ne birthday. Nti me mana fiziapa.
Okay.
Na nasa official town enti mechiano pa na miami nuaba ABY Akuabuachi Adom na ne birthday kese pa pemasam nso me penasam na me manu fie ne bebre nka ho na bibia wo ye bia nso enye peye na abrante ba ko friend Kion
okay
NS Adomako wo gina o kan kwe South MP ama NDC ene ma wo ye no ho no susu the office ama wo mo ane board hi wa toka ede machines eguma sa de pick back weti wa brand no ti sure say omutumi to abanama no obetumi penetrate no agisi na NDC ti Mr. Kion e bompa ya ma no say ontumi wini promise no na omra beji seat na my
gracias pa
yeah
abemboko
nyame adom abemboko mechia o asaichia wahwefo anyway tiefo na mede afishapa ne happy birthday ama ABY oba fefefe ya ma afishapa Simon Chinkwa ende de mejidi se omomo no ebebo bebre wa ya nini abema so wa ya open assembly omomo no bebo bebre ti ya ma afishapa
ABY setre okay ya behye ekomodie asnamamenkai ahwefo ne wona ATS free ejuada eko sakraye eba Badwam Mpensenpensemu so Mpensenpensemu ye start 8 o'clock no start 7:30 to 9 a.m. 7:30 to 9 a.m. dwumadie odo bebre so a yebesa ede abramtie koya fashion team say free juada Mpensenpensemu start 7:30 to 9 a.m. ewo Adom TV. So, Kwagu, I'm sure say FM through. So I'm saying this revelation by government statistician as Ghana Statistical Service say 80% of our buying edume for akachi edimo less than 3,000 Ghana cedis. Maybe Mr. say omei enye yedie man isikasem ewo form. How do we deal with this situation? Senebe ya ne efe ne keta asehye preka ka ne dream die no ye betimi abre ano as when abadwumafo over 80%, that's 533,179 out of the 688,000 abadwumafo no akatua aye less than 3,000 Ghana cedis.
Me do asipi nchia ahwefo nyina na me ma me to besra me
okay
na nakua comfort for so wa wodwoto ene na obekọ ano pa mi fira me kogya no kwan ama na konti na nakua papa bi
eta so konso ni na menko
me chia opa mani so de o de ma bedure eye no kre se nsema inua start class service mpanimfo de abai no doubt to say enye no kre me be gidi because my adwuma ne bi pen na menim wonum se wo hwe aban wage bill na omomwo so a omodo so pa teacher for ne nurse for and doctors and lecturers omo ne do so pa ba yenyi teachers na work from secondary school to down ni yenyi nurses so film nurses for ekobe 100 or 150,000
okay
teachers ne number 400,000 teacher ni director general the pay the take home pay you sure say be do 5,000 teacher ni our we tene college our university say teacher no the pay no 1,500 teacher ni our we university I post to no fresh the pay in no 2,400 a little 2,100 or 2,200 or university nursing near where we nurse fresh from nursing training you pay no 1,500 now for doctors in fresh doctors we medical for the over budget only 4,000 young doctor we I'm say 2,800 or so where back not meaning na native no rate we ja kwat na blochire o hwe ya damfu lady bi ekoye adwuma Ghana gas
okay
na damfu no obi a ono okuta no first go bi medical doctor na again the can pay awaje e kire bra na hwa no oto adan woto na yi ne tokran
the friend promise
the one the show mko the doctor for the otokran okwa abrochire wa mabiem so no way medical doctor akru school more than 7 years oba be adwuma ne pay no 3,000 na obi call Ghana gas just a second where yi crowd onye sepanimu where em say soma so anompo no just 7 to 8,000 e bompo na be mu bui okoye o mabiem ba 1 year ni ofre me wati kwaku me mabiem maka enti wodi say it na o manu mu a e be ye den na nkofo ho nkire wo mu enti wo hwa most of them ni nyina o mo ama nyame amwa no anya baabi wo anya bibi kakra nka ho a o mo ama ne sa akosa atori sa no mu yo ma sa akota secondary school na wo form na owi anu ata betene fia obi cha no gina kwa ho to ade ade se nyame boa wo na teacher ni ana na esini ebia wonya oba papa ware ana wonya be ma papa bi ware na wotumi de netika asupport wotumi de oba ko school papa
kokwe be ni de
enti eya dia edi nkofo nya me ma kira de pen I'm a childie
chemistry teacher
me a chemistry teacher but Saturday na me teach chemistry no na me say part-time more
okay
on say chemistry na hot
sure
enti na mo school so be bre na me childie wo ana me say part-time me class no 2 classes na science 1 na science 2 ana me childie esa wo na me say classes parents no e discovered me pay kwama family tanka me childie 1 year na me talk 2007 na me childie chemistry and 2008 na me talk
Adom na
so na me patch ba nye nipa nyina de benya ne sa
sure
ansa na me ba be yedmo Ministry of Education headquarters ya eku ayi professor ayi ofrede
opokwajima
wa na ponom transfer me de me call bia say me TV so ye politics nti me nkonkwa kira de obia yi sia me gya ye adwuma ya politics but me nkonkwa tna bia office
it's go bia no
for years
ba ku ye hwe
ya dia edi nkofonya
okay
it is time say ye be hwe Ghana adwumayefo yi enti no munyo mu nkyira de yi no omunyo mu nya adwuma yi obekona nurse ne no wote ho okata no ne wura ko ne ba de school fees abeto wotumi ntua ne ba ati yo onkonkoto book te 2000 wojia ede obedi say obetua la be say teacher ni wo yire o mam yenu miensa ni pay 2000 say no obedi say no de beto ho te da bia behu na ne mpabo ato ayeyi me de nyame adawroma me be politician this adawroma ana me wie enso me sabe consultant because ye me master wie na be ye me nyuma kakran ye me some be ma ne consultant no ne ye nyame adawroma me de man ko sa ate bia no
okay
so de me pa kire enye ni pa nyina de benya ne sa
sure
enti yesre se saade we ne na me wo inspector division me ko school track me ko hwe teacher fo e kira de o Accra Academy na na me leader am ko hwe to the teachers is kira de na the teachers literature we na headmaster teachers literature no mo come frustration mo ko mu a me ko poku ale me say lead team ta ko poku ale na ko hwe the way is kira de a teacher for ni kira de what secondary school na okono ono mo hia no mo come frustration kira wa eya so be and fashion who be because ono ni colleague ono ni wie ya ono ni wie university ono we be o ada for de bi no o hwe life our live aseta pa wo na o hwe ono so ne de na da bia wona ntitwa kwan ansa na wakwa de edan akwa ye ma ne bi obetua light bill obetua water bill into oba frustration na ne basa akọ school obewie no anya gege 30 owie a onya secondary school papa kran fa ne banko nti wotwa adwempo ne yaba ne trim ti ye be sere say it is time say you be take good care of sadi o ya om yes om do so dodo what is asem no mo kan o yes teacher for do so o nurses for do so and this about introduce baby tata na teacher for dwane pa na professor General Tata introduce with a retention premium when we retention premium no o teacher for no pay I dem awo no what are the 10% ka ho say ogia na ye the 10% I can have no ato ho say dey be you be to light bill no money yi minim say na da so wo ho a first na net for so dwane pa ana no so minim de omo ye ma wo mo but teacher de na me wo mu nti minim ama omo tumi de niam kakra omo edom konkurate no ye tumi push wo mo de bibi kakra ko market awo na tumi move wo mo to the level enei ni nyina agiegu enei teachers impo house masters ana ye mo allowance kakra na omo so e de ahwe omo e se de be ya enkwala no so e be ye ni ta allowance ni nyina ye free ho ama teacher ni obekọ no na kire se na taade ba akwa na mienu miensa bia wo no eno na ohwe ne kakra onto ono so kwa obo no omoden se kakra obetumi aye no no aye because obefi a wanhwe ya
na wari be na
bebre nso enam se ne ye ni bia ba ne ntino bebre nso de djuma bebra ka na de wo kire na de wi na opie ko wakwa na djuma enti na ma nyamre market kura na opa no be ma exercise opa ana obe market because ono we na ketua no we de wi amamu no so ti connect wi o man si ko no eso no so kope bibiye no de ka ho enti ko school so no no e ma de bebre tonton ne ma entade e bi tonton tofe e bi tonton suo e bi tonton sei enti attention no kura no e dey eni ade kire no so mo o trend say ye be ma break no boko akotonton ne ma o teacher ni na nurse ni no so trend say ono so benya free time no adwane no akwa ye de obe do benya bibi kakra be fanya sa obi wu
kwaku boy ogura se former president Kofo kan say me was say aban ye no ho say o twa adwumefo ka na adwumefo nso ye ho say o ye adwuma na wo hwe nkuntabu a Ghana statistical service for edibai na or see 533,179 by adwumefo energy less than 3,000 cedis and also kramu chichemu ne mubumu enie and inflation at abafuma bedu 53%. And say with the inflation of 53% no eto akatua 3,000 cedis ne so a sikanka sa nipa oje 3,000 cedis odiko fie no eye 1,410 Ghana cedis because of inflation of 53%. Or see nipa 104,349 as soon as between 3,000 to 4,999 Ghana cedis. Eti na ufa obi ono so eje 4,999 Ghana cedis. Inflation of 53% ekanan sikaka said that in so de koye adwuma no ɛyɛ 2,350 Ghana cedis. And we see nipa mu 20,606 as na gye between 5,000 to 9,999 cedis. And now for be or get 9,000 Ghana cedis. Inflation of 53% e kana sikanka se kitana or dikodi ni jumba e 4,230 Ghana cedis. Oye kwa no see 6,225 or so energy beyond 10,000 Ghana cedis. And also for be or get 10,000 cedis. Now the inflation of 53% eto soa. Sika pote pa de kwa koye adwuma na se akachie kuta ne pa no eye 4,700 Ghana cedis. Palgrave, how do we deal with this? Abra yehwe aban so sika e won footwork against the fight against corruption.
Is ya mechao?
What else?
Echia minia penny na mechia Ghana for. Our motion no pay. Is ya oshe Professor Nim in some of the abetudre ya.
Yeah.
Clearly, utumi who say there's a need for a lot of introspection, especially in Yejuma 4, Aumu Yejuma. I think say where you stuck reality.
Sure.
Data and so there, and you are able to do which in your baby. Send a million a kind of we did teacher pen. Miss we did teacher pen.
Okay.
We high school, Miss me try the kakra.
Okay.
Na me kai 2001. Na market you 99 Ghana cedis.
Hey.
99 Ghana cedis. Na University of Ghana, na me junior staff. No mutu ya meka. Mami kutu ya bank account kra or Ghana Commercial Bank. Yesha na 99 Ghana cedis. No into me ko enim bebre. Tija, ye dey addition bebre ka ho. Amasisi ya ye ko yenim. But me kai time na me try there no. Na me so me extra classes.
Okay.
Ti na me check in the garden for to me the boom be 10.
Hey.
I say it's a mini sika. To be the boom be 10. Send the be ya weekends no na me dey church on my kakra. But we are very alarming news. But I mean no doubt in my mind say you share abayin jumadia or ya say you to me increase public sector salaries. E now nyema we so enti na ama you to me increase public sector salaries about 30%.
Okay.
We better say ebia and get significant. But it's better than where it used to be.
Yeah. Sure.
Input work akraba na
Yeah.
Enti clearly no kakra no yeko yenim no successive governments President Nana Danko Akufo-Addo na afemu de so no be making sure say eja ohia no enko form bebre nia me ready krata nia ma me yem hye yem ne say yanhwe anso ano a na kire say inheritance no poverty na be high.
Sure.
I think say no was a bit more scary kakra. But Ubekaya ye de krata bi ba out to say ye pese ye de nurses eko UK.
Yeah.
Ema omoko ye juma ohonum.
3 years contract.
3 years contract I UK for SIN no. Ninya ye part of these measures. It's as say remittances about Chrome Hanum no. See to me increasing and also be impacted your GDP no.
Okay.
India say omu to me receive close to about $10 billion or remittances alone. And the one cry is more than other countries. Omo angasa omo GDP omo receive. Inti yebeda Professor Inimase say Obwa Ghana with a lot of these issues. Now yakatre public sector for also say more and more no mo find the other sources of income. Well, say we juma from 8 to 5. Between 6 and 8 and I will be able to me have extra sources of income kakra. So you teacher needs and your papa can majority na with my extra classes. You call your moko school extra classes. Teacher need be to media kola parent be about 200 cedis. Uka boom class of 50. That's a lot of money.
Your mom would die.
Oh, private schools don't go.
Private schools don't do. I buy school there.
Those extra classes in Yemano, any weekends classes, you can take advantage of that. Because it is yes, I'm buying a teacher for a subject teachers. So your subject teacher, and that's a subject now channel. collabi here can gather a few students 2 3 4 5 here omo put more betumi actually to also aid you with some money but where they are buying air coso ahwe ho say be ya eja your numbers na omo moje less than 3,000 you to me increasing kakra eja ya say ya sha say ya ma 30% increment in public offices and nurses for so you be say be brain now so call abrochi na almost start say yejuma obi akwa abrochi memma ni sika kakra pounds you the baga na na near insia e boy busuafo bebre.
Yeah, I think somewhere 2019-2020 remittance square baga na over $3 billion. Yen papem. But ebi musu be say a nurse for ya do mo e ba bekwe. So buy to me the best 1,500 ekwa. There's a possibility say where say be a less than even 100 or 200 and a baba after 3 years contracting. Meanwhile, Ghana so already you have deficit of nurses to patient ratio. See a PNS eko ne papem e bebo nurse form e start cry me
do say cry na bit me dey akọ 1,000 2,000 what dey call one maka na
omo namfo omobusuafo nyina eko ye PNS say so e dey akọ akogumu a e me affect ye ni eja me nkrofo akosom e wo nkrofo amaso I know say you can buy edeba because of a more Ghana phobia nurse phobia bo baba dos ni ade so mo oni omo ye exchange Ghana nurses ni ye adwuma ye pa so it means say ahofama no e wo ho but what will make them deliver no a challenge abansi kasemu nwie pay de but can we find a way in between it say the be ya ye fie ni su kodi HCP say ye pia nurses no so akọ UK
nzenzia o hwe population we are fanenya I feel like you train when you see we are seeing population about 8 billion people.
Yes.
I feel be our population increase.
Sure.
Africa so let me say nyame yembe manadom. Omo Taiwo. You say every 60 seconds Africa and collaborate 12 any warm.
Yeah.
Now so o share the western world now every 60 seconds no. Colam you know any warm. The Africa you because so adore. In fact, AU4 research on the beto honum HSA by the time you do 2063. Now the youngest population we are seeing is on this continent of Africa. It is to be fair, say buying innovatively, Adrian say see a crowd nurses acquire 1,500 econo. Now omo fear omo nyejuma no ye di omo shim.
Okay.
Because nurses be bro honuma yem postium. As far as in Phoebe, baby,
3 years. Well, 3 years back in from 2019. About 4 batches.
This is baby Honoma yen to be postio.
Okay.
So inti so share na say omo yen postio mo no ye sha say e postio mo.
Okay.
Na ye the 1,500 ko ni replace yo mo. Na bebre na do adan ko ekufu ado free SHS ya be omo wie no omo ye interested in nursing no na be free up the system and make sure say deficit no e be reduce.
Okay.
Unza Africa they overly overpopulated. Senior awon e koso no irresponsible childbearing. Family planning e buy na go fulfill say person butwa or Adom na go follow to the from say abeku or something. Abeku person hard ni mama ni papa ni man. All those things were very crucial moments. Okay. So inti mejidi say efo aban so e ma aban to me di ejuma no. Omo be call after 3 years no mo benya ekunoma ware ombe ye settlement. Ni nya na cross pollination na bia no. Na e me wiase ni ko ni say Ghana de answer na ye be extra 6 regions no. Ni say United Kingdom 11th region.
Yeah.
Aha. Is say
you go home.
You are going home.
Okay. COVID-19 Russia-Ukraine war to blame for Ghana's debt. Ken Ofori Atta, Minister of Finance.
That's it. Say ya omo keka no man no muntumi mu ne yie no. Our man agency mo asay no. Ensem say ya omo keka. Ano mo set up no mo nyu so omo conscience. Emfe mu o man ne yie. Our man ne say no.
Conscience, yeah.
O da bi enye didi atam. Because the bia ublimu
kasa.
Okay.
Bia na minisa kasa.
Okay. No mo nyusu. Sebe. Omo ni mu dia omo yie. No mo fe mu o man ne yie.
Okay.
ano man say I say because the bia what the problem no call Ukraine no Russia and COVID there once set up pay solution and map baby problem ayi or mind baby e kono untumi nya solution my na the bia ye kwam ne mu no okay no man na say ye ntumi peki brim tem kofo ye mfra konwa so a because omadwene ni nyina anane aye agent ada on nadwene wada soli bia Ukraine ne Russia wo ntino ene COVID into one set up no one tena no hu te da bi o man said yesi say no e die na me ye ya am man no say e die na metumi aya me yo man ni yie wotene dem odidi men no akota no office no chete enyema hunu anu omudi no enti da bia Ukraine Russia war COVID sa emfie no munie na Ghana nkwa na yeko Ukraine is here Ghana nkwa na COVID ne bae ade na Ghana nkwa na yebre
Kokofi se die ne yanye ne ye abedrua
appointed ministers 125 ministers
okay
na ototo land cruisers ma obia oma offices ne kwa na bebre ni offices because ni enyi minister odo to sada tie apartment from our ni create office from our obesiesie on dem part no oto salon cars 125 etama ministers what's our high prime areas apartment ma ministers no money baby tie because ni enyi minister do order enti baby bebre o no money baby o motie tie to say kwa pedan high ma wo ti sika obenya nyina no na de consumption now di tuaka wasa kreti agencies bebre hu nya fa to maso a nyansa bie nim
ebiti say
to akote free secondary school
okay
anka ministry of education betumi ahweso no no akote free secondary school secretariat na de kofo go na utuaka na watoto ka ata mo we nyansa wo etaso mo what's one district one factory abra your ministry of trade and industry no akote one district one factory secretariat no uche to mo Canada workers e go watoto ka ata ma wo nyansa wo wem 2 years ani ma we nyina no man na wo say no no man ni tikaro na we to emfa to bia maso all dem partner no enti sankata tika we nyina no anko channel ni yie anko de bie one factory ba ko pempo it is tuabo gas all dem partner no ka enu abese tua no ka esa de dwuma so be brem na ante de maba wa mo biaye
eti are you say ya boka ye nyamfa so
bie no so betuma kire mi bi project ba ko pa ene yam no ka tay enu atumi turn over this cabre Ghana it is tuabo gas chemi kufu ado ne ayi ba omia ba yi chem one project a wo maye enu aten ne ho edi sika bre o man no obetuma nya bi ba ko KGT market ton KGT market
yeah
unu store to do the o bro 10,000 unu nipa do ye djuma unu taxes o mutua no de biom nyi sika 10 ne ho eta de djuma so bre nkofo e ma sa sika na etua no ho ka Courage hospital ko he ayarefo ekogu ho no ye nyi o musika se ejo musika
okay
ejo musika eno enten ne ho enten tua ka ye de besi ekoje ya ye de sisa hospital
etino so ye agenda 111
kire me bia bia ton no eko juice no kura na mo ka no eko juice na mo ka no e de eko juice na mo ka eko juice na mo ka no first no mo to bi o mo nimu ha e mabiem kohwe se bi wo ha store na wani mu ano me gi ho atinyi o mo he da kofa bi bai mabusa ma me se ne mabiem busa
o se no kofa bi
we o on to biem e ma
o se no kofa
bi we
won kofa bi
we kubusa nto to bia ma me na wani mu kubusa nto to bia
o se no kofa okoto foka so koto bi crowd
enya no kre enti chese nyema omdo mutaka ye nyina amfa so bi amre ye ana edi edru baabi ye dri sen komko ji sika no na komde ye project akese na no atene over ne ho a kede adwuma brenkofo no wasa enye sika film na nipa bebre ho ahenha wo mo hwese ye si universities mi no private apartment me do mama esi university mi na me te ba ko voter region ne Borahafo ne Eastern region dey wonu nipa ye adwuma wo so mutu atas so na me pa kire no mutu atas no tas na etumi tene no mutu aka
kokobeda se
batomba na se uji sika no na wudi onfanya hwe ye ka na wudi atam na dwane ahantan ye wo mumunti na kakra wo ta kwaje besia na mapake bi agudem na kakra na to di adwuma no to o fa nye
na to say the pack good then
oh na kan for that be allow an okwadi no ne the company na eda no na onye ne 10%
enye ono nko
enti one wan e yo dia unua no nye na president nua and then to hear the post train the we oti e ya ojo obi etu nya de otu we kokrafo e ma ka cho say enso mo kan ye reasonable nyansa nim enso kanya ni nua na president ya obetima kokrafo a o ma bobra nim akata atem we akere no no we gina ho no we din sem hunu ye kan fe no and I do my na do be
the exception of COVID Ukraine war. Do you think say be
and some do woni responsibility so my no na say no bibie no mo ye be
man en kwantentia America bedrew over 500 billion Ghana cedis.
Is there?
Pa.
On say COVID-19 by the pay we omodo so bebre. Over 6 million plus people yes afaninya.
Yeah.
They be America na ma makai sending Yankopon ye Adom. Me Koda Range Hospital for 30 days on oxygen. COVID ICU obi otwa me ho bia wuye. Everybody, the Dr. Amable and Dr. Depa and Nurse Philo, Omunya or Range Hospital, they can tell you. Everybody died in my ward. CTFM for Krabaye interview. Okay. Adom. And me survive second wave, no. Okay. Vaccine behind by.
Yeah.
January, Pepe, Bobby to Hono. That's our girl. We will be here. We are seeing Fanenia, Commodity be and Pennyful Bebre, AD, sell over United Kingdom, sell over America, sell over Asia. Conferences are Kosunya, Ubi Adin Koma, or say COVID-19. Into clearly, Ghana, aye crow, aye, what continent of Africa. Ayo Maya, yen to me, ye who ain't fit, we are seeing Fanenia. Ye car global village, send your canon. Yen to me, because COVID-19 impacting.
Okay.
COVID-19 so nga dey between their politics. To be fair. Now Obekaya, the innovative nature and plans of President Nana Dankwa Akufo-Addo, the for COVID-19 mu ye. We kaipa Ghana for say whatever it takes. Yen send be save people's lives. It was not an easy thing. Yeah, my frontline workers. That time I mean, frontline workers in Africa that approaching the jar. Yeah, tight frontline workers. Yeah, frontline workers. Men who said there are categories of workers in this country, including journalists. So move to me up, but some baby juma because one baby juma, almost motive you know, they'll be so bored.
Yeah.
Because those days, now me to me, faka echo radio stations near my tag. You see, COVID-19. You remember? Very, very difficult moment. Yenya, you to me go through.
Okay.
At the time when the economy was bouncing back, and you who said Russia for invading Ukraine. Is here any Ghana for? Opa monso Sky News, and I'm also CNN and BBC. We are seeing Fanenia and Komo Ekoso. The impact of Russia's invasion of Ukraine, it cannot be underestimated, especially for Omaya. A year underdeveloped, a year middle income, a developing. The effect is dire, strongly, very, very dire.
Okay.
Send you who deficiency in COVID-19, Badwam Mpensenpensemu say the hospitals no BCB akahono. So na Russia for being invading Ukraine, you say ye overly reliance on importation of things, high. Tiembo modini sisa curve no obekaya omampeni here in state of the economic address October 31st okase yen sisa curve no na Ghana yembo modina yen kasa into me and sending yema in Ghana enko abrochi yen exporting yema.
But sorry, I don't think say it was because of Russia invasion ewo Ukraine tinema ye too sana mono, because MPP back in opposition in 2016 MET say our import against the export no NCC so, and that was why no so baba ye 1D1F e baba share.
I remember that.
Ankwa kwanyi bokumu kena sene be ya ombetimi aboa me export more instead say be import.
No doubt.
More the free.
No doubt. abaya a drink Ghana for that.
Okay.
And need a new patriotic party. And until in 2016, I can't say you buy one district, one factory.
Okay.
To be fair, Ghana for him, say one district, one factory. You accomplish it, fulfill in this country. Very much.
Ni fet and anything.
Now we Honorable Alan Kojo
Ni fet and anything.
Minister for Trade.
Yeah.
And Industry. Ono one district, one factory. Wabo juma yepa.
Okay.
Ghana for ni the juma wabo and that regime. Now is here we cannot underestimate it.
Okay.
Me say me my case so omampeni na do dan ko Akufo-Addo di nejuma be wie ya. Ghana da che be kai no. Juma pa odi ye.
Okay. Pa eti yen hwe ni say.
Mami we hanom no.
Me to say e call. So are we saying say yen as a country there? We the COVID, Russia, Ukraine. Yanamonto bia anka ho binti na me ababetu baby a yedwe. I'm asking this because I believe we should be able to learn. As we want to become self-independent nation in terms of economy, we should be able to learn from and maybe a some years back. Because Niama man for be raising issues say, "Uyi nipa e wu ye COVID time in China." Yen share our expenditure against our inflows of COVID. Ebi musa wo to ho a sika ye nyaaye as a result of COVID no. Ebro yankasa na nke kase ye di sika na ka bebro expenditure to managing the COVID. That is what amanfo be edwin.
Is here COVID-19 expenditure ye bu ho nkonta ama Ghana fo ho. Pato me bo ana me bo. Ye bu COVID-19 ho nkonta ama Ghana fo ho. Amomu pa ye di ye with COVID expenditure. Auditor
General's report on COVID-19 expenditure. Ekache say buying expenses no. Ebroso.
Sa Auditor General's report no.
Yeah.
Sa fini yekodi hu enkomo.
Enkomo di o parliament.
Ba ababonten.
Enye hwe. Say ababonten so.
Eno an parliament. Eno we need our right no for the
time. Opinion.
We need right.
Hey, Attorney General.
We need right.
The Minister of Justice.
We need right.
And Attorney General.
We need right to obey to me crational letter come out our Auditor General.
All right.
The right.
Nobody be on going to me find all right.
The right when it
represent state.
Mrano ma Auditor General no the right to me public at any given time. Man can to say parliament.
Auditor General in some on COVID-19 expenditure. Parliament. You could do go.
The water no. The ababonten na water no can water.
Maintain. Inti entering
okay.
MIA Parliament
okay.
But to be fair, Endra Ghana for any JB say Minister for Finance, Honorable Ken Oforiatta, any president and Adom Akufo-Addo Memo, you to me are rich domestic debt exchange program.
Yeah.
And you are close to about 82 to 85%. I think say you better Ghana for us. Ya bon sema mo say
what did you go once I do mutika
abo mo homodin say ye hwe Ghana e ka ye de e beba be ye sustainable e ye president na Adom Akufo-Addo amemu ne dachi odrin insia womba na wawo mo ne memba no eni kwekumba ne ye nana no mo beba no say e ka bia mba beda ho mo na ye debt to GDP no abaso ye be ye 55%. Na we mampeni ben and obey drink Ghana for who since sending another Akufo-Addo president. I drink Ghana for Inti say domestic debt exchange program, pensioners, ya bomb modern, exempt your mo. In sense of pumping another Akufo-Addo, drink Ghana for pensioners, that's home.
Okay.
And there is no money here. But don't munya ask. Say, Omwabua buying, Ama buying it to me in Juma panel. Good
morning.
Debt exchange program. No.
Akwasi, what about those who thinks below 1,000 Ghana cedis? Akwasi, please calculate it with inflation of 53% for us. The nation must sit up on this salary, both private and public sector. Hey, and arrogance. Mami adwa kesi wanted way ebai. A country that wants to fight corruption, Attorney General is fighting Auditor General for public report. Oh, what a sad situation. Musa abatwa the way Ebeko Kumeda says Hasuna Pagri so Yeah, but as me dey akwasi nsia na say koma production.
Akwasi say time on so.
Time as.
Osaka 6 minutes.
There be. Your time as on patch.
Oh, akwasi yes enyo. Yeah da yeah sorry.
Mama concluding remarks cry on.
Yeah sorry never.
And I say koma Dominic see eboa. Sa so. And I say consider so koma mauli da chehire. Thema any of software account sound light camera MC amu nyina so yada masepa nyame enshiro bia da juada o mahine kwabra sante no bedi ehye maka to say from Juada Echo Mpensenpensemu start 7:30 to 9 a.m. 1.5 hours.
Yeah.
News best started 5:45 to 6:05. To be the first to know, be the first to watch. Juada o mahine
the next Friday so be
Sa kwa kosi 2032.